Hello class 5, welcome to history lecture. Today we will do our topic, the Boston Tea Party. So before doing the Boston Tea Party, we should first see the background which actually led to the Boston Tea Party. This event, the Boston Tea Party, is very important event in the history of America. In American history, this is an important event, and this event actually is the main cause of the American War of Independence. So Boston Tea Party is the main cause of the American War of Independence. Now we'll see that how this Boston Tea Party, this incident took place in America. So there, before going to the Boston Tea Party, we should know that this in America, we see that the people from outside were coming and settling in the American colonies. Now when the people were settling in American colonies, these colonies, the British people were also interfering in the matter of the colonial American colonies, the 13 colonies which was set up by the people who came from outside. Many people also came from Britain. So here we see that in this settlement also Britain was interfering. So firstly we see that the trade relation, the colonialists, those who are living in the colonies, these colonist people, they were continuing their own trade and commerce, but Britain was interfering in their trade and commerce, and Britain was trying to control their trade and commerce. Also we see that they were imposing several taxes on the people of America, especially the colonists of America. So when Britain were imposing high taxes on the people of America, these people were against this policy of Britain. They imposed the Stamp Act, the Salt Act, and the Act or tax on tea. These many taxes were imposed on the American people, and the American people were against this payment of taxes. They did not wanted to pay these taxes. So in this situation, what happened is that the American people started protesting against the policy of Britain. So in this situation also we see that many people who came to America from Britain, they were also trying to fight for American War of Independence, because in Britain when they were living, due to religious matter, they were forced to be Puritan. So from there they had came out and they have settled in America. So in the new settlement also, when Britain was interfering, they didn't like that and they wanted to protest against the British. So these people were already aggravated, and now what happened, when the tax on tea was imposed, then came the real revolution, we can say, or the real rebellion started when the tax on tea was also imposed. So what happened is that the colonies, the 13 colonies of America, was completely blocked from all sides so that they cannot trade. So what happened, when the British ship entered into the Boston port, and this Boston port was in Massachusetts, you have to remember this, in 1773 a British ship entered into the Boston port in Massachusetts. So when it entered into Massachusetts, some of the American colonies dressed up as Native American, as American people. The colonist people dressed up as American people, and they boarded the ship, British ship which came, and this ship was carrying tea. This ship was full of tea. They came to sell tea. But the American colonists were already angry on the British people because they were imposing high taxes on them. So when the ship was landed there in Boston, there we see that the American colonists dressed up as Native American and boarded the ship. After that, they threw all the 32 chests of tea into the Boston River water. So as this happened, Britain suffered huge loss, because all the tea that they threw in the water, these are all destroyed, and it was a huge loss for Britain. And for this reason, we see that Britain seized entire Massachusetts and they locked all the colonies and decided that they will not allow the colonists to trade with any other foreign region. So this actually led to the beginning of the American War of Independence, and this incident of throwing this tea chest, 32 crates or 32 chests of tea was thrown into the river water in Boston. This incident is known as the Boston Tea Party. And after this, we see that the Americans were very much furious to fight against the British. They sent a letter to the King of England, that is that they wanted that they should be set free. King George of England was sent a letter by the American people, but the British people did not pay any heed, completely ignored the request of the Americans. And after this, we see that the American War of Independence or American Revolution really started. So this is the importance of the Boston Tea Party, and this is the event of the Boston Tea Party, and this incident led to the outbreak or beginning of the American War of Independence, and that is why you see that the Boston Tea Party of 1773 is very important. Thank you.